Welcome to our channel. If you want to balance your hormones naturally and improve your overall well being, follow these essential steps. Step 1. Eat a balanced diet rich in healthy fats, lean proteins, and fiber to provide the building blocks your body needs for hormone production. Step 2. Manage stress through daily relaxation practices like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing as chronic stress disrupts hormone balance. Step 3. Get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to regulate hormone production properly. Step 4. Exercise regularly with a mix of cardio and strength training to improve insulin sensitivity and support hormone balance. Step 5. Limit exposure to endocrine disruptors found in plastics, pesticides, and certain personal care products by choosing natural alternatives. Step 6. Maintain a healthy weight as excess body fat can produce estrogen and disrupt hormonal balance. Step 7. Support your gut health with probiotic rich foods and fiber, as gut health is closely linked to hormone metabolism. Step 8. Consider having your hormone levels tested by a healthcare provider to identify specific imbalances and develop a targeted treatment plan if needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.